Okay friends, just open settings, then select connected devices, then select scroll down, then select Galaxy wearable. You can see there is multiple devices like Galaxy Watch, okay, Galaxy Buds, and there is Galaxy Fit and Galaxy Ring. So you can combine use these those wearables and better track your health and other activities. So there is some support for Galaxy wearables. You can use many of them in your devices, and that's give you a better tracking system for your daily life. That's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.